We all know that feeling when we get a call from the dentist and he says, "Oh, we got a chipping." Actually, he means you get a chipping, but we have to fix it. After 5 years, we have 33.3% of chipping, and after 10 years, it's up to 66.6% of chipping. How can we solve that problem? And how can we have an aesthetic material with the maximum stability, and also from the biological standpoint, a much better material? We got the maximum secure material. I'm sure I'm stable with that material, have the maximum aesthetics, and I would say you should try it by yourself.